Yeah, we're going to be about 10 degrees warmer tomorrow, depending on your location. So dress for summer out there on Tuesday. Temperatures are going to be well into the 80s tomorrow. It is going to feel very much like July or August. I mean, it is technically what we call meteorological summer already. That's the months of June, July, and August. Actual summer on the calendar, not until a little bit later this month. 10 degrees above average tomorrow. No record highs, though. All the records for tomorrow are in the 90s, so it won't be that hot, but it is going to get steamy out there. Isolated storms possible, but we have a much better chance of seeing some rain on Wednesday. This is your first alert. Our next big thing here, scattered thunderstorms are likely on Wednesday. I think we'll have a round in the morning through about midday, then we're going to break, and then another round coming in around 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon. And some of those storms may be strong to severe, so we're closely watching Wednesday's forecast. Tonight, obviously very beautiful outside, and the sun doesn't set till almost 9 o'clock, so enjoy this. It's in the mid-70s in Cleveland, 77 at Lorain, Elyria, Akron, Canton at 80, and we're right around 80 Mansfield and Worcester as well. We're going to walk you through Wednesday's thunderstorm threat hour by hour, and of course an early look, very early, at the weekend. That's just minutes away.
Day outside, just a tad bit humid.
It was muggy, and then there was like this little marine layer of fog in the afternoon.
I did not notice that.
It was weird. If you were driving on the shoreway at like, I don't know, 1-2 o'clock this afternoon, it was weird. It looked like smoke or haze, but it was fog, and it got a little bit worse, of course, before it got better. Now it's gone, and we are dry out there. Not quite as hazy as we take a live look from high atop our Parma Tower camera. Not a bad evening at all. It is humid, though, and more humidity ahead this week. We've got rain and storms coming in Wednesday. This is our next big thing. I'm pretty much skipping tomorrow right now. We'll talk about it later, but I'm skipping it now because it looks pretty quiet tomorrow. Wednesday, a much different story. Here's the precision timing. The clock is above my head. So this is Wednesday morning. You can see scattered showers and storms out there. It's also going to be really warm. We're already around 70 really early in the morning. Lakeshore communities may not even dip into the 60s late on Tuesday night. Clouds and showers keep us a lot cooler. We are generally in the upper 70s. It's not going to be a rain out Wednesday. I really don't think we'll see constant driving rain, but in the morning we'll have those rounds of storms. Then we'll get a break here early in the afternoon before we start to see more storms firing up after 2. And some of these may be strong to severe. You can see a lot of heavy rain coming through here in the afternoon, and that's really the main threat with all of this. We're gonna have a lot of moisture to work with, so I am concerned about heavy rain, ponding, localized flooding, and then smaller threats, but they're not zero, damaging winds and hail. So we'll be watching Wednesday for a possible first alert weather day. Now, if that morning rain sticks around, and this is why I haven't issued a first alert weather day yet, if it sticks around a little bit longer, that will really ruin the severe weather potential for the afternoon, which would actually be a good thing. So we'll give this a few more model runs. Either way, thunderstorms wind down on Wednesday evening, and tonight, no thunderstorms out there. It's going to be gorgeous. Just a few clouds, warm. We're in the low 60s tonight. Still feeling every bit like summer out there. And tomorrow, a summer day for sure. 8 o'clock in the morning, already 71. 82 at 11. That is high. Then we are in the mid to upper 80s in the afternoon. We're forecasting 87. Now the time, it's 10 degrees above average, but it's not a record for tomorrow. The records in Cleveland, Mansfield, Akron, Canton, and Dover, New Philly, all in the 90s. So we won't see any of that, but it's still going to feel hot out there. I can't quite rule out in the afternoon. This is our rain tracker, an isolated shower or thunderstorm, but I certainly don't think everybody will see rain. The key word here is isolated, with much better odds for rain and storms coming in late tomorrow night. And then, of course, into Wednesday. First alert 7 days showing you that 87 tomorrow. Monsters are home, of course, tomorrow and on Thursday. Hockey, an indoor sport, obviously, but you have to walk to and from the arena. So tomorrow, dress for summer, maybe a light shawl or a light jacket, something like that for inside the arena. Right, it gets cold in there. That's the perfect place to escape the heat. 82 Wednesday, mid-70s Thursday. Friday, we're cooler, and chances for sure for scattered thunderstorms Thursday into